I'm Kelly with the Orange County blog Just Spotted, and I am standing in front of the new Disney California Adventure Nighttime Spectacular World of Color.
Oh, did you just say World of Color?
Yes, I did!
I thought you did. My name is Olivia. I am the H2ologist here at Disney's California Adventure. I'm sure you've all heard of me. And I am here to ensure that all of the colors here are as superbly spectacular as possible here for the World of Color.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it wonderful?
That sounds so great. What exactly is the World of Color?
Oh, well, the World of Color is a magnificent nighttime water spectacular that combines technical wizardry, yes, and the amazing drama of Disney stories, ode to water, music, special effects. It is the next major milestone in the expansion of Disney's California Adventure, and a great reason for you and everybody to visit right now.
Well, I've already seen the show, and it was awesome. You did a great job.
Thank you.
But what about my readers? Do you think you could give them a sneak peek?
Oh, absolutely. But if you don't mind, I am going to go put a little more aqua in the aquamarine. But